In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a page number in Wondershare PDFelement. Now, the easiest way by far to do this is simply to go into this Edit tab over here on the left, and from here up top, it's going to say Page Number, so just click on that and click on Add Page Number. When you do this, it's going to open up this page number window, and here, of course, you could go ahead and set the content. So, for example, here you have a bunch of different styles. I'm just going to put this as this one over here, so it's going to say 1 of n, of course, the amount of pages, and then you can select your start page number. I'm going to do 1 here. You can select your font, you can select your size. I'm going to do it a bit bigger, there we go, 16, and I'm gonna also make it bold here. And of course, you can set your position. You could put it at the header or in the footer. So this is going to put it up top, as you can see here in the preview, and this is going to put it here at the bottom. I also see that bolding it isn't a good idea because it's not very visible. Then there we go. And then of course, you can select different movements where you want it to be. You could go and set like different margins and stuff, and here you can select the page range. So either if you want it on all pages or just in a custom page range, and then just click on apply over here, and then of course it's going to apply. Now right now I'm not signed in, and this is a premium features over here, as you can see, so I would have to actually sign into the account to be able to do that. But of course, that's basically how you add page numbers. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.